Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In this lesson, we are going to learn how to save our work, to send it over to our table. Now, in order for your thumbnails to show up properly, you have to have your drawing on top of your artboard. If it's over here like this, it'll just show a blank thumbnail. So you got to make sure that you have your work on the storyboard here. And it doesn't really matter where you have it on your storyboard, but I tend to put mine in the corner. If you want to put it perfectly in the corner, here's your x-axis and your y-axis of your storyboard, and you can see those numbers change if you're moving your project around. If you want to put it exactly in the corner, you can just highlight these and hit 0, highlight this one and hit 0, and that'll put it perfectly in the corner. Now I use SheetCam, so I save everything as an SVG file. So you're just going to come up here to File, hit Save As, put it wherever you're going to save it to. I'll just toss mine in the Downloads folder here, and name it whatever you want to name it. And hit Save, and it's saved there. Alternatively, you can go here, you can go to File. If you want to save a DXF, you can click Save As, name your file, grab this drop-down menu, and come down here and you can save it as an AutoCAD DXF file if you're so inclined. I save everything in SVG because the SVG file takes up an incredibly smaller amount of room than a DXF file, and I use SheetCam, which converts it for my Langmar Systems table. So that is all there is for this lesson. Let's move on to the next.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.